This is the real payment proof to earn extra cash from any corner of the world by completing any types of copy paste work easily on your computer or your mobile phone. If you don't have any experience or knowledge or skill or investing money to a particular website, I strongly recommend you to watch this video step by step because you are a lucky one to start your journey for earning extra cash from any corner of the world. So this website is called www. Hey, this is make money online. In every single day I upload a video to teach you how to make money online. Just if you are a first time in my channel, subscribe and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from here. And if you appreciate my videos, please like, comment, share more and more with your friends and family members. On the other hand, if you are first time, and share more and more. So on the other hand, if you have any question, just come to my comment box and comment more and more. So let's get started. All right, this is the first website. I think I'm in fairy.com, fair.com, and this is a trusted website. If you come to this another website, I mean similar web, you will be able to get total informations about this fair.com. Global rank, country rank, category rank are over here, and you are watching this one total characteristics about this website. I think Germany, Vietnam, France, Australia, Italy, lots of people or different countries people are working on this website. I think so. How you will start your journey as a newbie or a beginner first time, if you don't have any skill or experience, you can read this all the criteria from this website, I think. And after creating your account, you have to provide your free ebook and free music. So this is called sell your music and ebook worldwide over here. No fixed costs. You keep 80% of profits, daily payment, and professional support team over here. These are the common criteria to earn extra cash from this website, I think. So step by step, watch this video. Don't skip this video, or on the other hand, you never skip any part of this video. So first of all, just click on this box over here, provide your name, first name, last name, and this one is your email address. Just click on this get started button over here, and then you will be able to get this amazing feature. I think this one is your username, password, repeat password, and this one is your security question. I mean, where it was my elementary school, you can choose any types of 5 questions from here, and this one will be your answer box and provide your answer according to that question. And this is your personal data. You can provide all the personal data over here, and this one is gender, and this one first name, last name, and date of birth over here, and this one is your contact date. And you have to choose you are interested in and what type of work you will choose from here. You can choose any types of work from here. If you want to earn by publishing ebooks, just select the box over here, and this one first time, and this one is also publishing music, and this one I have selected this topic from here. Mind it, if you are not a musician or a writer, you can choose these 2 categories from here without any types of hesitation. At the end of this video, how you will collect your free ebook and free music to publish on this particular website for earning extra cash from any corner of the world on the computer or your mobile phone easily. On the other hand, you can choose this one YouTube and publishing or audiobooks over here, and this one is book distribution and CD distribution. This one is last one, I think, publishing radioplace.com. And I ensure you to collect any types of audiobooks from any types of free audiobooks from online. So I have selected this one, and then what should you do? And then select this one or click on this box over here, submit free registration. After clicking on this, you will get these 2 email on your email box over. Just check it out. First one is activate your free account over here, and then just click on this link button over here to start your journey. I mean creating your account. Then that's it. This is the best and easiest way, I think. And how you will get this next overcome next interface. This one is congratulations message you will get from here, and then just click on this login button over here and provide all the information and first name, last name, and email address over here. And this one is your final interface. What should you do after coming on this particular website? First one is the total menus over here. This one is music, audiobooks, or repeat radio plays, ebooks projects over here, and this one is all the criteria. I think so. First of all, what should you select to upload your books? And then first off, this one is a publisher, this one is authors, and you have to select this one. I would like to select this one, publishers over here, and then there will be a interface, and then just click on this create a new publisher over here, and this one is a publisher name you have to provide, and this one is your personal website, and this one is a description box. Provide all the information. Just click on this create publisher. Then this is the boom and easiest way, I think, and pretty cool and easiest way to create your publisher account on this particular website, I think. So how you will get your free ebook and free music? Now listen to or pay close attention to complete the next step. First one, this one, if you come to this Google, just click on this free PLR download. There are lots of website here. This one is first website, and then open this one from here. There are lots of books over here, and this one are the best and famous website to collect any types of free ebook, and which is totally copyright free, and you can upload on your particular website to earn extra cash easily from any corner of the world. This one are the categories you have to select. This one is the health. I have selected this one, and there are lots of ebooks over here, and just I have to select this one. Just open this one, and after reading all types of criteria about this book, and you have to download from here easily to upload on your particular website. So first of all, click on this download button over here, and then these are the next interface. And what should you do? Just click on this free download button over here, and then you have to get or collect this one. I mean picture over here. Then just save this picture from here. So I have uh, saved this one on my computer, and then this is the main work, I think so. How you will upload your free ebook on your particular website? After creating your publisher account on this particular website, you can get uploading option on your website, I think this website. So this one is the first thing, how you will upload your free ebook on this particular website. Now I think now if you come to this Google and just type free music download over here, there are lots of free, I mean royalty free music over here. Don't have any knowledge or music on different types of categories. Just you can select or collect any types of free music from here easily. So I have selected this one, royalty free music by band sound, and there are lots of free music which is totally royalty free. Just download and collecting this one, and you can provide or you can upload this free music on this particular website. This is the best and easiest way to earn extra cash from here. And if you click on this music, I mean label, contributors, tracks, release, you can select any types of menu from here. So this is the best and easiest way to earn extra cash by following this strategy. I mean copy paste working without any types of knowledge or experience or investing any money on this website, I think so. First of all, if you are determined to earn extra cash, just follow the different types of tips and tricks for making money online. Thanks for watching my videos till the end. I could request to watch my previous videos, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.